Good morning, everyone. John Chow here from johnchow.com. Welcome to day 2 of the 2018 Affiliate Summit West here in Paris, Las Vegas. It is right now 9 a.m. in the morning, and it's time for breakfast. It's kind of dark here today in Paris town, but speaking of breakfast, normally the breakfast in Paris, but for some reason this year, breakfast has been moved to Bally's Casino, so we have quite the walk. Maybe Affiliate Summit thought we were too fat and needed the exercise. This is a long walk. Here you go.
Thank you. Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Orange County.
Oh, okay. That's not far.
It's a lot of fun. Hey. All right, let's see the breakfast of the guy who lost half his body mass.
Yeah, I've got.
He's got. It looks like a normal breakfast though. I don't get it.
Well,
How's he doing
when
it?
When I come to the conference, I kind of throw the diet out the window because.
Oh, okay. So
whatever.
once you get home, you'll be eating
I mostly eat a lot of protein.
A lot of protein.
Eggs and ham.
eggs and ham.
Yep.
But that's eggs and ham for dinner pretty much.
And potatoes, yeah.
Just smaller portion.
Yeah, I just stay
Okay.
away from dairy and grains.
There you go. That's how you do it.
That's it.
Okay, see, this is the food that Shu avoided to lose weight. You see, you eat this, you gain weight. To lose weight, you eat this, 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 and this. All right. Breakfast of affiliate marketing champions. The egg's kind of watery.
Steve Hall.
The potatoes are good, good flavor.
I mean, the best you can do is follow it.
Sausage is good too.
How are you?
That makes it,
I'm baking.
I was gonna go out and then I laid down on my bed.
See, Oscar eats this, Shu eats that, and Shu loses 200 pounds.
Yeah. And I gained the weight.
And you know what I think? I think you know what I think? I think there's some weight thought transference happening. I bet you if we add up all you lost, and then we add up all myself, Oscar, and Syed gained, it's the exact amount that you lost. The exhibit floor is straight ahead. We will be checking it out a little later, but right now, I need to go into the press room. It's kind of cold in here. Wow, the AC's on strong. Oh my gosh, on strong. Yeah. Oh my God, he finally made it.
Hey, how you doing?
You made it. What is that? Dragon's milk? 3 days. All right, awesome. Oscar is showing the proper way to interview somebody, to put them at ease. Here's a little tricky one, okay? I told him, don't put this camera in front of their face because people are, they put it in front of their face, people will tighten up. So look them in the eye directly and put the camera to the side. So you put them at ease and you get a much better interview. You never know who you're going to meet at Affiliate Summit. Check it out. Nick Haylick. Nick Haylick, the Thrillionaire. That's right, it's been a while. The last time I met him, we were going down a river in a raft. And it wasn't Fiji. It was a couple of... And before that, you took my wife on a jet ski and almost killed her.
Trying to keep up with you. And you had your little daughter behind you.
That's right, my daughter was. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Lunch. Oh, but you guys don't have VIP tickets, do you? No, we don't. Yeah, no lunch for you. Too bad. It only felt like an hour ago where I just did breakfast. Now we're going back to Bally's to do lunch.
yeah, back to eat. More eating.
More eating. Now, the only thing we do at Affiliate Summit is eat, drink, and see the exhibits and get swag. Oh yeah, once in a while, somewhere in between, we actually learn something. We learn how to sweep the floors right here. Hey, shoot, did you actually leave this room?
I went to
From
go
breakfast?
I went in that room.
You went-
I got to get some exercise.
See, we thought you were here from breakfast and now you're going for lunch.
Well, I can do that too.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Hey, oh, what a great photo. We have Missy Ward and Sean Collins, the founders of Affiliate Summit. What's the attendance this time?
6,000 and something.
Oh, yeah, so that's what I said. 6,000, a record attendance, so good show. When we were here only a few hours ago for breakfast.
You just kicked us out like 10 minutes ago. I just kicked you out.
Yeah, and then now we're back. Oh, look, lunch is definitely busier than breakfast.
Right next to the...
Yeah, so we got the drinks are here, hot water, coffee, and tea. And over here we have the dessert table. So after you finish lunch, you have a choice of all these desserts. And that's one thing I love about Affiliate Summit. See, Affiliate Summit gives you a catered lunch. Unlike the CES that's going to start tomorrow, the CES for the lunch for the media, they give you a box lunch. But here at Affiliate Summit, you get a full catered deal. So we got a salad here, and we got hot veggies, pasta, fish, and chicken. So always 2 types of protein, salad. It's great. You know, or you can go to CES and get yourself a box sandwich.
Tell me what do you have this together?
And don't forget the bar and tea as well. So we have a lunch station right there and one right there serving all these tables. It's a great way to network with people. I like to generally get my lunch and then sit down at a table where I don't know anybody and just say hi to them.
Who is your son?
You saw the breakfast of Internet Marketing Champion. This is the lunch of Internet Marketing Champions. Chicken, salmon, veggies, pretty much all you need. All you need now is a drink. Oh yeah. Lucky for me, I got the VIP drink tickets, so refreshment ticket. Gonna go get one.
This page where you want to have a special VIP bank for those staying at the banquet house. Any extras for the fourth government of the hotel section.
Check out the internet marketing power on this table. We have Jeremy Shoemaker, Shoemaker System. We have Stephen Spencer, author of the SEO book, the guy who reverse engineered Google's algorithm. We have the Thrillionaire, Nick. I mean, the guy went to space. He went into orbit. He went into space. Like he's a civilian astronaut. After you finish lunch, got dessert. We have, I don't know, a marshmallow, a burnt marshmallow. Burnt marshmallow.
No, what's in the bottom of it?
We have an egg tart. I think on the, it might be
It's like a custard.
a burnt marshmallow custard and cannoli. Yeah. I don't know which one to start with. I'll start with this.
There's no polluting emissions.
Tell you, Stefan, you don't know what you're missing by passing up dessert.
I do, and I'm gonna live a lot longer.
I'm gonna freeze my stem cells now.